Hi there, this is Stephanie from the Registrar Company, and here's a quick tutorial on how to use Google Hangouts for remote auditing. If you already have a Google account like Gmail, you'll be able to log into hangouts.google.com and see a screen similar to this one. If you do not have a Google account, you may want to look into other remote auditing tools TRC has available or create your own Google account before proceeding with this tutorial. Once you have logged into Google Hangouts, you will be able to start live video meetings. For the purposes of remote auditing, we will ignore most of the other options available to you in Google Hangout. As an auditor, you will be able to start a video audit and invite auditees, either by email or using the copy link to share option shown on the screen. As an auditee, you may be required to utilize the Google Hangout app. The Google Hangout app is available for Android and iOS for your smartphone or smart device. This will allow you to be mobile and be able to showcase your processes to the auditor. Downloading and opening a meeting on the app may take a few minutes and some technical knowledge. We recommend utilizing the digital link, the click to share option, from your mobile device to open a meeting within the Google Hangouts app. Allow the app to have access to your camera and microphones. This will be essential to conduct a visual meeting with your auditor. In the top corner of your screen of the app, you will be able to switch the camera from front-facing to back-facing. This will allow you to show your surroundings to the auditor during the meeting. Utilizing the desktop version, an auditor will be able to share their screen, or an auditee can share their screen, or an application window. However, we do recommend sharing your entire screen so you can be confident in knowing that other members of the meeting are able to see your entire screen just as you are. That concludes our tutorial on using Google Hangouts for remote auditing. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to reach out to TRC and we'll do our best to help.